Welcome to SSDN Technologies. This is a digital era. With everything going digital, coding has emerged as one of the skills which can land you in a job that offer you handsome salary. Being a student, it's the right time to upskill your skill in coding. That's why I am going to tell you about those 5 programming languages which help you get placed in farm organizations. So let's get started. Number 5, Go. The Go is a statistically typed compiled programming language designed at Google by Robert Rob Pike and Ken Thompson. This is also referred to as Golang because of its former domain name. It was designed at Google in 2007, and this language is designed by keeping the characteristic of some of the languages like C, Python and JavaScript. The characteristics are statistic typing and runtime efficiency like C. Number 2, readability and usability like Python or JavaScript. Number 3, high performance networking and multiprocessing. The Go was publicly announced in 2009 November. Some of the applications of Go are in microservices, in heavy data processing, server handling, and some of the organizations using Golang are Uber, Netflix, Adobe, and Docker. While the Docker is completely developed in Go. Number 4, Kotlin. It is developed by JetBrains in 2010. It is statistically typed programming language that runs on JVM and work across different platforms that is typed statistically. The fact that statistically typed means that typed are resolved during compilation. It is a JVM based language which is simple to write and concise in nature. It is mainly developed and designed for Android applications, and 81% of the developers recommend Kotlin. The applications of Kotlin are in web development, desktop development, and server-side development. Organizations using Kotlin are Coursera, Basecamp, Zomato, and Trello. Number 3, Java. It is a high-level class-based object-oriented programming language that is designed to have implementation dependencies as possible. It is developed by James Gosling and an evergreen programming language which is doing way too successfully in every domain of technology. It is believed to be a good choice for someone starting out as a programmer as it is simple and readable programming language. Most of the popular framework like Spark, Flink, Hadoop are also written in Java. It is also a popular choice for machine learning and artificial intelligence system. Some of the applications are scientific application, banking and finance application, web applications. Organizations which are using Java are Spotify, Instagram, Airbnb and Slack. Number 2, C Sharp. It is designed by Microsoft led by Anders Hasenberg and his team with .NET Initiative. It is one of the highest efficient language which is easy to learn, object oriented with rich libraries and fast. The first version is released in 2001. The syntax of C Sharp is almost similar to C and the C Sharp can be fully integrated with .NET. Some of the applications of C Sharp are VR games, Windows 8 and Windows 10 and game development. Organizations using C Sharp are Delivery Hero, Accenture, Microsoft, Alibaba Travels. The list has been topped by Python. It is one of the fastest growing language. It holds the special place as it is an interpreter based high level programming language which is easy to use. By knowing Python combined with a strong aptitude or quantitative reasoning and experimental analysis, you can strike gold in the industry. It has a rich set of libraries and tools designed for data science with capacity to interfere with high performance analysis. It is mostly used for data mining, sort and categorize data, and develop ML algorithm. With advancement of technologies such as AI, ML, the demand of Python experts are also increasing. Some of the applications of Python are GUI applications, data science, machine learning. Organizations which are hiring for Python are Google, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram. By learning these 5 languages, you can get a salary of 8 to 12 lakh per annum in India. So if you want to learn these languages, you can contact us at